2. We're ready to set this toilet, hopefully for the final time. While you were gone, I took the liberty of cleaning. Besides the floor, I cleaned the seal that's going to be made between the wax ring and, because I already put this wax ring into the toilet back in December, it was disfigured and it was also stuck up under the toilet, which a lot of people prefer to do. I prefer to place it into the floor. Another thing I do is I make an indention here. It is 70 degrees in the house, so that makes it easy to mold it. What I'm going to do here is a quick wipe of the rubber seal. With my first 5 attempts, disfigured it even more. Each time I have to do this. Put the wax back on. We can use all the wax we can get. I made the indentions on each side to accommodate the bolts. Also, this is a little trick. Every mechanic who's ever dropped something in a tight spot has learned. Once we get this bit in here, get it set, we're going to press this wax around these bolts, and the wax is actually going to help hold the bolts. Like I say, many people will place this ring on the base of the toilet, and then it has to hit the toilet perfect without moving the bolts. It's very difficult, very tasking. So what we're going to do is use the wax to hold the bolts, so that it's less likely for the bolts to move when we set the toilet on. And if they do, it's no big deal. We know they're in there. Also, I did manage while we were gone to pull this flange up and line it up. Everything is still straight on, but if it's not, I've got enough room to slide these bolts slightly. Once the toilet's set, you simply turn it, and we're going to line it up. This towel is kind of a marker. We're ready for the toilet. Perfect. Pressure while aligning it. Wax snot, never hurt anything. It'll all come out in the wash. Alright, put your washers on the top. These are nuts in place. Remember, I'm not a plumber. I'm a mechanic. But what I really, my passion, I really enjoy is woodworking. So make sure you stop by and see the outhouse project. $32. Get the expanding flange. Make a phone call. All you plumbers out there, call me. Tell me how much this would have cost me. I'll tell you this is not a permanent fix. Don't expect it to be. Because as I'm tightening these bolts, it's actually trying to pull that flange back out of that pipe. Now I get to go sanitize all my tools. Problem solved. For how long? No guarantees. But by the next time it needs repair, now that we've seen it, we know the situation, we'll have the exact right parts. And now, my favorite part. I spray it, he does all the work. They say on TV. See you later.